let me just show you this tamarisk cutting. It's growing roots in water, you see. If you take tamarisk cuttings, I don't know what the best time of year is really, but they will shoot roots. This could be planted out now. I'm not sure what the best time of year to take them is, but they will shoot roots if you take cuttings and put them on your windowsill for a while, or in your garage, or somewhere with light, a bit of light, of course. Look at that, beautiful roots. All in a bottle of water, so it's a whole new tree. Change the water every now and again, of course, until the roots are established. I could plant that out today in a pot. Looks a bit miserable, but I mean the rest of the tree. I think I should have maybe cut them a bit sooner, earlier in autumn. This tamarisk is just waking up. It's just about to bloom. I'm not sure what the best time to take cuttings is, but it's worth experimenting. Of course you can put cuttings in pots with soil in them, but it's fun to put cuttings in bottles of water and watch the roots sprout and then plant them out that way. It's lots of fun, especially for children. Nothing like having a very own tamarisk tree, especially when it's in bloom. This will be all in pink bloom soon. I know a place where there's a red tamarisk, deep ruby red it is. I should sneak a cutting from there, shouldn't I, sometime? These are all about to burst into pink. They are. It's spring, spring, spring. How lucky I am. See ya.